Incognito mode is a convenient feature across browsers, allowing you to surf the web without saving your browsing history, cookies, or temporary data. However, it doesn't make you entirely invisible. Your activity can still be logged by your internet service provider, network administrators, or websites you visit. While Incognito mode doesn't store traditional browser history, some traces might remain on your device or apps. Here's how to ensure no remnants of your incognito activity linger on Android, iOS, Windows, and Mac. For Android, even in incognito mode, cached files or DNS records might leave traces of your activity. Here's how to clear them. Clear Chrome's cache and cookies. First off, open Chrome and tap the three-dotted menu in the top right corner. Go to Settings, click on Privacy and Security, and select Clear Browsing Data. Select Advanced, then choose Cached Images and Files and Cookies and Site Data, then tap on Clear Data. Here's how to flush the DNS cache. For tech-savvy users, use a terminal emulator app to run the command ipconfig/flush DNS. Alternatively, restart your device to reset temporary DNS records. For iOS users, Safari's incognito mode or private browsing leaves little behind, but here's how to ensure complete removal. Clearing Safari data, go to Settings, click on Safari, scroll down and tap Clear History and Website Data and confirm the action. Disabling autofill. In Settings, scroll to Safari and tap Autofill. Then turn off options like credit cards and contact info to avoid stored suggestions. You can reset network settings to clear potential DNS traces. Navigate to Settings and go to General, click on Reset and select Reset Network Settings. Then reconnect to your Wi-Fi after the reset. For Windows, while browsers and incognito mode don't save history, your system or network logs might capture DNS queries. Here's how to clear browser history. Open your browser, Chrome or Edge, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete all together to open the Clear Browsing Data menu. Select Cache Data, Cookies, and other site data, and click on Clear Data. To flush the DNS cache, open Command Prompt. Search for CMD in the Start menu. Type ipconfig/flush DNS and press Enter. You'll see a confirmation message, successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. You can also use third-party apps. Tools like CCleaner can help wipe temporary files or deeper system logs. For Mac users, clearing browser data and DNS caches is straightforward. Clearing Safari data, open Safari, click on Safari in the menu bar and select Clear History. Choose the time range, for example, All History, and confirm. For flushing the DNS cache, open Terminal, search for it in Spotlight, and enter the command. For Mac OS Monterey or later, sudo ds cache util -flush cache sudo kill all -hupm DNS responder. For older Mac OS versions, sudo kill all -hupm DNS responder. Enter your password when prompted and press enter. Your system level cache, open Finder and go to go to folder. Type this command and delete relevant files. Be cautious not to delete system critical files. Here are some additional tips to enhance privacy. Using a VPN, encrypt your online activity and hide it from ISPs and administrators. Disable permissions. Some apps might have permission to track your activity even in incognito mode. Third-party browsers. Privacy-focused browsers like DuckDuckGo or Brave can further minimize traces of activity. Deleting incognito search history is about going the extra mile for privacy. While the steps here ensure a thorough cleanup, remember that incognito mode isn't a complete anonymity tool. For advanced privacy, consider combining these methods with privacy-centric tools like VPNs and encrypted browsers. Stay informed, stay private.